Okay, so who's this? Excuse me. What's your name?
Your mom.
Joey, and then this is Tyree, right? All right, but before I want to clean up all here, all the entrance.
Joey, wanna jump over here? No.
Here, Joey, you record while I clean that up. Don't touch anything. Just hold it. I want to clean this thing. What's happening is, if we don't clean it up, then you guys step on it and it turns into ice.
Oh, no, like, wow. Stop it.
Do it, but don't move the camera like that so rough. When you turn, you gotta turn slow.
Look.
Pero todavía no pega como para hacer un snowman. Maybe tomorrow. It have to be a little wet.
What? What did he say?
The snow have to be a little wet.
For what? To make a snowman? Yeah. Tomorrow we're making a snowman. Did you know that?
Nope.
Huh? No. Let's see how it's. Hey, stop. Tastes good? No. But a little bit cold. Then we can make like a little animal. Oh, I know what I'm going to put it in the garbage. When are we going to have lunch? I just don't want to get my shoes dirty. Huh?
What's that?
I don't want to get my shoes dirty.
Go over there. Oh, come on, give me a break.
Well, 'cause that's the only shoes I have to wear for school.
You should bring another.
Well, I couldn't, 'cause I don't have one. Very much.
Whoa! It's deep! Shit! Look at this!
Not very deep.
No? Look at me! ¿Ah? Tírala. Tírala, yo la cojo. No, yo la cojo por acá, dámela. Alright, Joe, you ready now?
No.
Let's do this.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh.
It's easy, you know why? It's brand new, it's fresh. It's not compacted yet, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's not that heavy.
Yeah. Ooh, the snow tastes good.
Oh yeah.
I got 'em. Are these evergreens, Dad? Because they're always green. Are they evergreens?
Is it still running?
Yeah.
Video?
Yeah. Are they evergreens?
Is that?
Are the trees evergreen trees?
Yeah, these are pines.
No.
Throwing at my dad.
No. I don't make it for tomorrow.
I got a feeling. Woo, woo, woo. I got a feeling.
Play?
That's not me. That's not me.
Oh yeah, let's do
Alright, I'll get you later.
Well, you better watch out, man. I got a feeling ooh, that your mom's gonna be a nice mom.
It looks easy, but it's not. Alright, Joey, it's your turn now to
Here.
help. Go ahead. Oh yeah, you do that every single time, right? But nobody could see your head. Alright, you know what I want to do? You remember? There was some bricks.
Yeah.
I want to clean it up, the path. So you got to keep pushing that way. Ahora está nevando más fuerte, con más viento. Tenaz.
I think I found a brick.
Ahí va Rey. So keep going until the brick.
Buy your snowball.
Huh?
Making snowball.
You're making snowballs?
Yeah.
Too bad he doesn't have one. Ooh. Yo.
Y esto no es nada. Esperamos como un pies más de nieve. Algunas 12, 14 pulgadas más. Joe,
Oh.
turn and say hello.
Not good.
You good?
I'm good.
Alright, voy a parar esto para seguir limpiando y seguimos grabando más tardecito.